Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to not only Florida, welcome back to Kirby Family Farms. Well, howdy pilgrims. Six Gun Territory was Florida's only Wild West theme park in Silver Springs, Florida from 1963 to 1984. I bet some of you probably even visited the theme park yourself. And if you did, you're in for a treat today because they're having a big shindig, a reunion with the original gunfighters, some of the original locomotives like this one right here, engine number 4, and just a lot of Wild West shooting, roping, and riding, all happening right here at Kirby Family Farm. They're bringing the old Six Gun Territory back. Actually, the original train station is right here on the property. We will ride the train today. We will check out what's new since my last visit here. It is supposedly getting bigger and better every reunion. I'm inviting you to come along with me and have some fun. And if you ever want to come out here yourself, Kirby Family Farm will be happy to have you. This is a non-profit family farm. All the proceeds today, they go to help the kids. It's all for foster children and children with special needs that need extra love and care. This is all for them. It's a great cause and it's a great event, all here at Six Gun Territory, Kirby Family Farm. Okay, that's a long-winded intro. Let's go have some fun. Yeehaw! I am excited. I've been waiting for this day. There is much ahead, my friends. Ladies and gentlemen, the Six Gun Territory gunfighting arena stunt show facade has grown in size and grown in detail. It looks immaculate. They added these front porches and awnings and a few other things. I can't wait to watch a gun battle over here, a gunfight. Also, they have a Boot Hill Cemetery right there in between the Digger and Son Funeral Parlor, and of course, the gallows. Six Gun Territory gallows, hanging by appointment. Judge's rope, your rope. Inside the cemetery, check this out. Lester Moore, 4 slugs from a 44, no less, no more. Oh no, that's awful. I told you I was sick. Rest in peace, Al Jennings, beloved Marshal, Six Gun Territory. Rest in peace, good old Marshal. For sale, very small, 1 bedroom. Neighbors are dead quiet. Oh boy. Hole in the woods gang, crossing the railroad tracks. Howdy there. Look at that, that's awesome. Whoa, this looks awesome. Check it out. Looks a lot different than I remember it, a lot better too. Got the coffin right there. You could take a nice little selfie there. That's kind of like they have at Knott's Berry Farm. Kind of reminds me of that. Definitely the old Western feel.
You ready to get married? Step on up here. Who wants to marry me?
I guess they're doing some weddings over here. People are getting rich.
Shotgun wedding.
Shotgun wedding.
Folks, we're gathered here today to join Miss Gail and Mr. John for their birthday wedding ceremony. Marshall!
Wait a minute. Her daddy said that you're going to marry her today or you're going down there to Boot Hill because there's a box ready for you. So you better rethink that answer real quick, my friend.
Right across the street, the Territorial Marshal House. Looks like some of the gunfighters are hanging out over here on the porch. Looks like these cow folks are about to take the town. Something's about to go down. I can feel it.
Fantastic. Well, we'll be doing it all day.
They were the teenagers here. Do you remember these 2 girls from back when you were working there?
Probably.
They were the teenagers from Jacksonville.
1969.
He was
Younger than that, I think.
He was Cole Younger.
I think when I was in, we were in junior high. That was our trip to go to the original one.
What we did, because we did in the evening, we asked him to put a little highlight in here so it would show up at night.
Oh, they got him.
Those 2 got away. Marshall just paid you $30 more.
Oh.
But I'll get on, dude, with it, Digger.
I think he's dead. Can you draw for me?
Oh, then you better go with the other hand.
Yeah.
Want to see it again?
Let's see it again.
I'm serious.
That was quick, huh?
Yeah, that was way quick.
All
right.
Trick is these guys all left their hammers down.
Kid's finger off.
You had to cock the whole time, didn't you?
All right.
That's cool. Are you guys all original gunfighters?
Yeah.
Gotta make sure.
What years were you guys at 6 Gun?
1974.
All right, kid,
74 to 78.
Come on, kid.
76 to 79.
76, 79.
That's awesome. I remember you. I met you last year. Cool. Thank you.
Glad you're with us today.
Me too. It's good to be here. Having a good time out here. Woo-haw. A lot of whipper cracking over there.
Come on, we got a little piece here. All right, here we go. Watch the kid. The wind's gonna play a little bit of trouble here. There he goes.
Oh
There we go.
boy.
Get your cameras ready.
Oh man. Watch the face.
Oh, give me my hand.
Hey, got it. Good job. Ladies and gentlemen, people passing through or passing by the original train station that used to sit out at 6 Gun territory over in Silver Springs. It's been brought here for quite some time now, I think a few years. Everyone's getting on the train. Well, I'm gonna wait my turn. I might not make it this round, but still cool to check out the engine. Oh, looks like it's starting to smoke there. There you go. All right, they got the move. Here are them cowboys again, emerging from the crowd. They're about to witness the train take off. Ladies and gentlemen, 6 Gun territory is alive and well at Kirby Family Farms. Amazing. The train is coming back to the station and I have been invited to ride in the cab of the engine. I'm gonna get a front row seat. That is so awesome. All right, walking amongst the original train station, everyone's piling in. Taking the old number 19, the Great America Railway. I'm gonna actually ride up here in the cab. They're gonna let me ride in the cab. Thank you, Mr. Daryl Kirby. About ready to take off, but take a closer look at engine 19. Looks a lot like the one we saw out front, engine number 4. This was also an original 6 Gun locomotive, I believe. Looks like the cowboys are getting together, getting everyone on the train. Over the board. Where's the best place for me to stand? Anywhere? Stand there. Over there? All aboard. Now I know why these are necessary. A lot of smoke. The train has stopped right here at this house. Oh wow! Got a little showdown about to happen. Whoa, so awesome. Looks like they're laying down their guns out there, giving up, surrendering. Wonder what's gonna happen. Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh, they bit the dust. This is so cool. So many people on that train, hundreds of people back there. Pretty cool to be up on the front. Whole different perspective, of course. Looks like they robbed them of their money. There appears to be a bag of cash or something over there. That man on the porch just bit the dust. Oh no, he's got a stick of dynamite. What's he gonna do with that? You gonna toss it in the outhouse? Oh yeah, he tossed it in the outhouse. Oh no! Oh man, oh! Oh, that's too bad. Oh man. Talking about having a moment there. Something's going on down there. Oh, looks like they gave him the money. They robbed the train. The train has been robbed. Riding off into the sunset. Or to that house. I'll be your Huckleberry. That's pretty cool. Oh, I wonder what's going to happen to him. Oh, there they go, riding off into the distance. Here on Kirby Farm. Yeah, get out of here. Oh no, they're coming back for more. The cowboys are coming up and doing a little meet and greet. Shaking the hands, letting you pet the horsies, taking some photos. He's hanging. What'd you do? Oh no. Poor fella. Oh no, man. No mercy. No mercy. Ladies and gentlemen, some of the old engines and cars from 6-gun territory, more of them, right out here on the back side of Kirby Farm. They are all being restored currently. We made it! All kinds of different attractions out here at Kirby Farm. Look at that giant bounce and slide house. I guess that's what you call it. Also, this giant wood playset. That looks fun. I would have loved that thing when I was a kid. All kinds of food of the carnival variety. Funnel cakes, corn dogs, lemonade, deep fried Oreos. Step right up and get your sweet tooth on. Kirby Farms has a carousel and a Ferris wheel. We're about to see these things in action. And there it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. That's pretty awesome. So many attractions for the kids out here. Right behind the Ferris wheel is an attraction called Wiggly Wally. Look at that. Man, that looks fun, doesn't it? Amazing. Woo. Wiggly Wally. I might have to ride that later. Looks like a bull. For a second I thought it was a pig. Move over, Dumbo. Move over. This thing's pretty cool, isn't it? Amazing. This is so fun. Got a little theme park out here. 6-gun is back. I'll be darned, it looks like they got a steer out here.
That's what he is.
Hello, Mr. Steer.
Come out in about 30 to 45 minutes, and he'll have a saddle on him, and kids will be riding him.
You can ride the steer out here? Well, that's pretty cool. There's also an entire petting zoo out here. Bells, barnyard babies. Look, photo sessions with the critter. Oh, look at the little horsey. It's adorable. Also, there's a hog over here. He's taking a nap though. Hey buddy, look at that carousel go. It's a beautiful day to ride a carousel, that's for sure. That's an old one. And she's Italian, the Italian carousel. I believe I found the blacksmith tent.
It's hard to tell out here, but it had just a little bit of orange left in it. So then I'll put a couple of facets on it, and makes a nail head. Now cool it off in water, and what that does is shrinks the metal up, and hopefully allows it to come out of the header without any problems. I've been having a little problem with my header today, so we'll see if, oh look at that one, that one came right out. I didn't have to tattle on myself. So that's an old traditional nail. There you go.
There's all the nails he just made.
Thank you. Yep, no problem.
Nailed it. Now it's time for outlaws and law dogs. Almost our turn, all aboard. Might be getting off here.
We're gonna have story time down here.
Whoa! Everybody is de-tramming and tramming. It's our turn. Walkabout Bloomtown. Some people gathered at the Bloomtown Bank over there. Some people behind us. We're kind of in the middle of everything going on. Oh. Looks like there's some cowboys coming into town.
Where's the sheriff in this town?
Looks like they got a prisoner. Oh man.
Morning, Ranger.
Morning, Sheriff.
What can I do you for?
Ranger McGuire, we're the Arizona Rangers. We got a prisoner that we need to drop off with you. We contacted the marshal's office in this area, and they'll send somebody by in a day or two to pick him up for his hanging. Well, I mean his trial.
Dropping him off.
Well, as long as you got the proper paperwork for me to sign off on, I guess we can take them.
I sure do. Just sign here, Sheriff, and he's all yours.
So cute.
Boys, come get this man. You think this two-jail's gonna hold me till dark? Yep. You got another
Watch
thing
it, Sheriff.
coming,
You
Sheriff.
killed 2 men. I don't want to see any more bloodshed in the town.
Well, we got him. And there ain't no prisoner ever got out of here alive and lived to tell about it.
Good luck. Have a good day. Good luck,
You
sir.
too. Nice seeing you, boys. Thank you a lot.
Hey, you in the jail, Sheriff. Why you hiding?
Oh, doggy.
Brother Johnny in there. We can do this 2 ways. We can let him out and live. Or you can stand there and die like the dogs you are.
I've known you and your whole Worthless family. And I ain't afraid of you or any of that trash you brought in town with you. Now, if you want to die today, son, come and get some.
Now you ain't at my mama's table, you call this scum? Pull that home leg.
Oh wow.
Unarmed! Security guard!
Men down.
You killed my gang!
The doggy lived, thank goodness.
Brother, too! Quit your whining, you little dirtbag! Boys! Not in my town and not today. Get this piece of trash up and his brother. Now, you and your brother can hang together.
Oh, check out this barn over here. This is awesome. We spent our time here in Bloomtown. You were able to walk around after the show. There's actually drinks over there. I got a drink over there, and there's a general store. You can actually walk inside. Here's the old general store. Got some barbed wire on the porch there. Little lasso rope. See what's in high. Oh, hi there.
Hello, how are you?
Good. I'm just taking a look inside.
Well, please come in. Please
Wow,
come in.
all kinds of things for sale in here.
Yes, we do.
Oh, some cast iron skillets. Oh, some clothing. Some hats. It's like the real deal in here.
Very much so. We're running a little low on eggs, but we should have some in a couple days.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you. I gotta catch my train. It's coming into town. Thank you. Howdy, partner. Nice riding the tram with you.
You too.
Oh, you're coming with us too, huh? All right. What an awesome time in here. I really like Bloomtown. I can't wait to come back.
Next time you come back, we'll have we should have a hotel and a church built.
A hotel and a church next time we come back to Bloomtown. You heard it here, folks.
Just go there, and then the hotel's going between the bank and the Marshalls.
Between the bank and the Marshalls? All right. Well, now I know I have a place to stay next time.
Alright, he's saying, give me your children.
Bye. Oh no. Passing through an Indian village here. Yes.
Hey, saw you at Spirit Train.
Yeah, I saw you too.
Glad you come back. How you liking it?
I'm loving it.
Great.
Thanks for having me.
I'll see you on YouTube.
Oh man, that's a perfect fit. I don't know if I should be excited about that or not. Hello, Mike.
Hello, Tampa J. How are you, buddy?
Good, man. You getting a refill there?
A little lemonade. Can't beat it.
That's right. I'm in line. I'm gonna get some lemonade or some tea. I don't know.
And yeah, it'll be the best you've had.
I'm gonna check it out. Hey, what's that there?
That's a 45, buddy.
That's a 6-gun, ain't it?
That is.
Look at that. Mike's got it. Thank you, sir. $5 for the cup, $2 refills. Sweet treats. Cheers. Last train of the day. Here comes the good old number 19. You are the man. There we are, my friends. 6-gun territory. Coming back and building even more. Just got news. They are building once again. Things are getting bigger and better out here every visit. They will continue to do so. Okay, it's time to ride Wiggly Wally. And I have it all to myself. Thank you. Thank you, farmer crew. All right, I'm gonna go right here.
That's fine.
Here we go.
Hands and arms and sides to work at all times.
All right, got him. Whoa! Oh, wow, this is fun. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Thanks, friends. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up.
Bye, Tampa J.
Bye, guys. Thanks to Kirby Family Farm, everyone out here for having me. All the kids, these farm crew members right there. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. So many awesome things coming out here to Kirby Family Farm. So many awesome plans in the future for a 6-gun. But now it's time to go home. Thanks, Willy Wally. Thanks, guys. Much ahead. If you'd like to know more about Kirby Family Farms, I'll put a link to their website in the description below. Check out all their events. There's a Christmas event coming soon too. Christmas train. And much in store for 6-gun territory. Keeps coming. Keeps getting bigger and better. Alright guys, time to end it. Thanks for joining me. There's much ahead. I'll see you next time. See you in the next video. Be safe out there. Over and out. Bye-bye. I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna turn it off soon. Bye-bye.